Hi there, welcome.
At last, it's getting busy again for the shop owners on this city block of Washington, D.C. Amanda McClements says more customers are wandering into her home goods boutique during this week of reassuring economic news.
When you see that headline, interest rates aren't going up, or you see the headline, job numbers look great, but and inflation is slowing. All of those things I think help give people confidence that we're going to be okay, and we're not headed into some recession or global economic meltdown.
And that can mean more money spent on luxury items, like the scented candles and kitchen trinkets sold here.
When people feel good, they spend more, and that's great for small businesses.
It's a welcome relief after the pandemic's uncertainty, which killed nearly a third of U.S. small businesses at the crisis' worst moment. Inflation, which peaked at 9% a year ago, is now down by more than half. The Federal Reserve's decision to keep the benchmark interest rate unchanged at 5 to 5.25% is a reflection of the central bank's belief that the U.S. economy is indeed cooling, as intended by the previous 10 consecutive interest hikes.
In light of how far we've come in tightening policy, the uncertain lags with which monetary policy affects the economy, and potential headwinds from credit tightening, today we decided to leave our policy interest rate unchanged.
The central bank says the pause on interest hikes is most likely temporary. At least one more increase is expected this year. That's to beat inflation back down to pre-pandemic levels. Meanwhile, the U.S. economy is expected to continue a subdued growth. Heidi, Zhou-Castro, Al Jazeera, Washington.